on. Alright, we're gonna go for a little night drive here. This triple yellow really does pop at night. Holy shit. This is actually the first time I'm taking this car out at night. And wow. I'm so happy I went with this color. I was almost trying to get like a gray or a white, but this really does pop at night. The stripes, I'm gonna have to keep the stripes. I'm gonna have to keep the stripes. It just kind of finishes off the look. Oh, it's starting to rain. What the fuck? Damn. I didn't even know it's supposed to rain. Of course, Houston's finest pulls out as soon as I leave the gas station. It's kind of funny. Well, this wasn't supposed to be a POV drive in the rain, but it is what it is, and I'm gonna have to get fuel anyway. looks like the rain stopped. That's Texas for you. One side of town is raining, the other side is not, I guess. And yes, I did go to a gas station just to take some photos. Didn't get gas. But I will end up going to another one that's kind of down the street here, so it is what it is. This is actually the first car that I've actually owned that actually tells me when I'm running out of gas. 49 miles to empty. I like that. Woo! Ooh. Little pops there. I'm about to get this car like detailed and washed, all that. It's not raining on this side of town. Literally, like, just right down the road it was raining, and like now it's like perfectly fine, which I think is hilarious. Spun a little bit there. You really got to be careful with this thing. The stock downshifts, bro, I gotta still get them like fine-tuned, but still gotta get these downshifts like fine-tuned. But it's weird because driving this car and driving the Subaru, they feel the same, but at the same time, as far as like clutch feel, but at the same time they're not. So like when I don't drive one for a day, it's weird, like I completely forget how to drive the other car. Oh my goodness. We're at the pull of Yui. About to hit that gas station that we kind of went ahead and missed. Oh, I misshifted. It's like drizzling right now. I don't really know what's going on, but I'm not trying to be like a Mustang statistic, so I'm gonna play it smart. We did a couple of pulls, we got lucky. I'm gonna call it quits right there, y'all. Again, it's like misting out right now, whatever it's doing out here in Texas. I'm on the Pilot Sport, actually not even the Pilot Sport, the Pilot Super Sports tires that theoretically I shouldn't even be chancing, so I'm gonna call it quits right there. And I just misshifted, so let me go ahead and get gas. I need to get gas anyway. Oh my God. Oh yeah, we're going right there. Whew. I can't wait to get headers on this thing to open it up. This car needs headers. It needs headers. It already sounds nuts the way it is, and I'm not really even driving it right. Like, I'm kind of like short shifting it, just taking my time, not even ringing it out all the way. But when we get headers, we get a tune, because the stock tune, it's not bad, don't get me wrong, it's not bad, but I definitely want to get a tune out here with the headers in E. Because I feel like the throttle... Oh, fuck. Hold on. I fucking had to. Watch this, a cop. Nah, there's no way. I'm about to say, if that was a cop and I didn't get pulled over there, he's a goat. Alright, let's go ahead and get gas. Woo! Hell yeah. It's a fun little joyride. Well, I'm ready to get gas now and a wash. If you guys enjoyed, drop a like on the vid, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications.